Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Audi A7 today, and the car is from 2019 model. This is the latest MIB navigation system. Here you can see we have this ambient light installed in the car. We removed its original panel and installed the completely OEM retrofitted ambient lighting with its original colors, and from factory some cars came with only one color, so we can change the ambient light from one color to different color as well. So this one is multicolor ambient light that we have installed. It has so many other colors as well. I will show you the other colors from here. This is the color menu that we have coded. It's all programming and coding in same like original. So we will select the color. So this one is the original white color. You can see the off-white, and then we will go to the blue one. This is the blue color. It's changing the color under my foots, on the door panels, some in the quattro panel here, and in the back side you can see we installed under the foots on the door cards. So here you can see the other side. So this one is the blue color. If I will go to the solar, so it will change into the this is some sort of orange color installed. Then again, if I come on the impulse, so this one is again little bit darker, more side to the red. Then we have vision color. It's again the whitish color. Then we have this Caribbean color. This one is like ocean green, you can say. We have the individual color as well, so you can change the colors according to your taste. We have you can control the half car as well, so half doors like the on the foots. So this is I can turn off on the half car, and again if I want to turn off the other side, so I need to turn from here as well. So it's the completely off, but I will show you you can change your color according to your taste as well. So here is the color option. You can see we have different colors that you can change. One, I have purple under the foots. You can change both colors according to your taste. We have blue shades, we have green shades, we have red color. So here is the red. Then we have two shades of white. So we have approximately 30 different colors that you can choose for your underside and the above side. We'll go back here. I will choose some other color on the above side, like here. So here we have, for example, we have blue right now. I will choose this to green. So right now it's the green and blue red combination, but you can use it on the opposite side as well. Here we have some yellow. So here is the yellow. We have orange as well. We have complete red as well. So here you can see I have done it completely red color on the both sides. We have two shades of red as well, basically. Here you can see. Then again, if I go to the home menu, I can change the other color to the blue. Here we have blue color, we have purple as well, we have green as well. Any color you like, you can change according to your taste. This ambient light we have installed in this Audi A7. Same light comes in almost all the Audi models. If you have any car like this, you can contact us. We will install same retrofitting ambient lighting OEM style, not the universal one. This is the complete. You can see the fitting, the finishing of the light. It's very good. We change the panels completely inside out. Here you can see we have light here as well under the foots. On the front side we have the backlight. So this is the light that is installed in this car. If you have any car, any Audi model, any other German model, you can contact us. We have universal lights as well, plus OEM lights. So it depends on the customer. We have different packages. We do star lighting, all other multimedia solutions. We have Apple CarPlay activation, wireless CarPlays, Android systems, Android screens, Android modules. So you can contact us for more information. I will provide all the contact information in the description below. That's the video for today. See you next time. Bye bye.